and gentlemen, may I introduce you to the Ego Performance from Tenways. Tenways, in my opinion, is sort of growing up because now they introduce their first model with a Bosch motor and a power pack. And this bicycle, the Ego Performance, in every very important part or accessory, they did choose a high quality component. So therefore, in my opinion, this is a very new era for Tenways. But before we look into the details of all the parts and accessories, the most important thing, of course, is how does this bicycle drive? What is the sitting position? And what are the different use cases? Cycling a bicycle with a Bosch motor for me is a bit like a homecoming, because for many years my everyday bikes, they all do have a Bosch motor and a Bosch battery because they are super reliable. I've never experienced any troubles due to the fact that it is a mid-motor. The riding experience and the sensation is very natural because the power from your paddling is of course in the middle because you're paddling with your legs in the bottom bracket, and this is where the power comes from when you do have a Bosch motor located in the middle, so very natural. And also the moment you push the pedal, due to the fact that it has a torque sensor, the sensor measures how hard you push the pedal, and therefore you get the very natural riding experience. Because sometimes they give you all the power instantly, or it takes like 2 to 3 seconds until the motor really responds, but not with the Bosch motor. There you get a really, as I said, high quality riding experience. And the Performance line is very powerful, as it's stated in the name, Performance. The motor has 75 Newton meters of torque. Bosch offers different modes of pedal assistance. If you do want to exercise a bit more, then you probably just switch the motor off. And I tried that, it's absolutely okay. I mean, then due to the fact that the bike is a bit heavier, because there's the motor with 2.5 kg plus the battery that is quite heavy, then absolutely possible. And also the gearing system is made that you could even cycle without the motor. But who has an e-bike and doesn't want to use the motor? So, but if you do want to exercise as well, you switch into the eco mode. Then there is support, yes, but then you still have to exercise a bit. After the eco mode, there's the auto mode. And then the auto mode is very clever because it decides when to switch between the different modes of pedal assistance for you. So that gives you a very natural riding experience. I love it a lot. And after the auto, there's the sport and the turbo mode. And when you decide to cycle a bit faster, or if you want more support, then you just switch up. And let's have a look from 10 to 25. Whoop. In, what is it, 2.5 seconds. So super easy, very powerful motor, but it doesn't feel too overwhelming powerful. So that's what I really love about Bosch, that you do have this very natural riding experience. Of course, every e-bike also has a battery, and the Bosch battery, the so-called power pack, it's an external battery, so you can take it out. It's located on the frame, and therefore you're like super flexible concerning the whole charging process. Here comes the butt. Like design-wise, I would say it's not probably the most aesthetic solution, but I mean, I really got used to it. I love my bikes, and due to the fact that the quality is so high and you do have a very reliable bicycle, I would say I'm okay that the design is not as sleek and as Nordic maybe. The battery has 540 watt-hours. That gives you a range of up to 120 kilometers. But here's the but. Only if you do cycle in the eco mode, if you like super lightweight, there are no winds, the temperature is very moderate and perfect, and of course you do not have any inclines. So that's like the perfect range. Realistically, of course, it depends how does your commute look like or how heavy you are. Are there a lot of inclines? So for me, the more realistic approach, at least when I was testing this bike, it was more like 80-85 kilometers, which is like super reasonable because I only charged this bike once per week. In combination with the stepless Enviolo gearing system, you have, in my opinion, the perfect riding experience, because what the Enviolo gearing system does, as it is stepless, you do have a shifter on the right side of the handlebars, and in combination with the being stepless, no matter how you switch, you land in the perfect gear, because there are no true gears like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for example, but you just always find the perfect gear, and therefore, in my opinion, it's the perfect individual riding experience that you get with this whole combination of Bosch and the Enviolo. And if you've never ridden or cycled a bike with an Enviolo gearing system, I would definitely recommend to go out there, maybe go to a bike shop and test one, because it's very special. And my bikes have them, and for me, in my opinion, if you do cycle a lot, if you commute a lot, it's the perfect solution. But that was very technical. For me, actually much more important than all the technical, very important accessories, of course, is like the riding experience and what the bicycle offers for your everyday ride. Riding position is super important because you spend a lot of time on your bicycle. The saddle, it's a Saddle Royale, it's very comfortable, of course, very individual, but due to the fact that the sitting position is very upright, it's pretty broad, and I thought for me it was very comfortable. And due to the fact that you sit very upright, there's only minimal weight on your hands, and therefore this whole shoulder, neck, back areas are very relaxed, and for me it's the most comfortable riding position. And even those friends that did test ride my bikes that came from very sportive sitting positions for the everyday life, for the commute, the majority agreed that this sitting position is a bit more comfortable, and you do indeed see what is happening around you. So the handlebars are a bit broader and a bit bent backwards, so therefore you do have again this heritage that is very typical for Tenways. It's the Dutch heritage. So the design is more modern, the approach is very zeitgeist, but indeed this whole experience is very classic Dutch bike. And even now, cycling over cobblestone, it is absolutely okay. The tires are a bit broader, so they work like a suspension, and there is a suspension in the seat post. Also an upgrade that I really appreciate and like. This bike is perfect if you do commute a lot, and no matter where you are in your life, because it comes with a rear carrier, and the rear carrier has a mix system, and the mix system is very established over the last couple of years. So every manufacturer of child seats, of baskets, of bags or panniers has the mix system. So it's super easy to click it on and you just go. So if you do have a child, you can use a child seat on the back. But there's also the option for panniers and for baskets. And if you do have a child seat in the back, there is the option to install a front carrier. So you do have the additional option to place another bag or your working stuff or your groceries in the front of the bike. And of course, also one super important accessory is the Gates carbon belt drive, the CDX. And compared to a classic chain, the belt drive has a lot of positive advantages because, for example, I can just touch it because there is no grease or oil involved, and it needs hardly any attention. Only when it's like super dirty and you were playing in the mud with your bicycle, then you just use a damp cloth to clean it. But otherwise, it just it's there, it's working, because it doesn't lengthen like a chain. Because a chain, every couple of thousand kilometers, it needs some attention. So it lasts up to 3 times longer than a chain, up to 30,000 kilometers, and it's completely noiseless. So I would always prefer a belt drive rather than a chain. And Gates is the manufacturer of belt drives, because they started decades ago producing belt drives for Harley-Davidson motorbikes, and for the last 15 years approximately they also started producing belt drives for regular bikes and e-bikes, of course. So this whole package that gives you the riding experience is just such a cool upgrade, and in my opinion it's a new era for Tenways. But let's have a closer look at the different parts that are also super important. Of course, when you do ride an e-bike, because usually, at least I do cycle a bit faster than with my manual bikes, you need brakes that work really well, and Tenways to choose hydraulic disc brakes from Shimano, and they were working really well. Even when the weather wasn't as beautiful as today, I always felt safe and secure. The stopping wasn't too abrupt, but I always had the feeling that the bike was under my control. It is STVZO compliant, so if you cycle in Germany, you do have the reflective stripes integrated into the tires. You do have a little bell. And of course, there's the front light and the rear light integrated into the rear carrier. And that is really, I love it. This design of Tenways, they use it for a couple of different models. I think it's very special and cool. And also, of course, it comes equipped with a bike stand that is very sturdy and robust, especially when you're loaded here in the back, when you maybe have a child's seat, or you do have panniers that are loaded pretty heavy. And yes, I already told you it has the rear carrier with the mix system. I love the ergo grips, where there's enough space also for my wrists, and you can adjust the sitting position by adjusting the height of the handlebars, so you can sit even more upright. The pedals are anti-slippery. I do wear a lot of sneakers, so especially when it was raining, it can be very slippery, and I had some really painful bruises on my chins, but not with those pedals. So overall, this is definitely a very interesting bicycle for Tenways. It's just really a jump to very even more high quality models they offer. And as I said, I think this is a new era for Tenways, and the price is 3,299 euros. This is of course quite expensive, but please, if you compare different bike manufacturers with all those components, a Bosch motor, power pack, a CDX carbon belt drive, the Enviolo gearing system that is stepless, then I think compared to other manufacturers, this bicycle the price is very competitive and interesting. So therefore, I think the Ergo Performance from Tenways is definitely new beginnings, and I felt very at home and comfortable.